Oh, it's so cold. Man, I wish there was an easy option where I could get some heat out here on this patio, but I don't want complicated wiring. With the Thermomate safe infrared heater, I'm just gonna plug this in. The heater comes with a super long 8-foot cord. You don't need to learn how to install wiring or outlets next to your locations. This is the infrared thermal 15-watt heater. This is a ultra sleek, lightweight design, easy to install anywhere you need extra heat. That could be a patio, that could be an outdoor restaurant, that could be a porch. So many options. Infrared technology, touchscreen for easy operation, remote control included, as well as the mounting hardware is all included. You get the bracket, you get the safety screws, hollow wall anchors for stucco, masonry, something like that. I'm going to be screwing mine in a patio, and I can use these screws directly into the sheathing of the house. It came extremely well packaged, so it arrived safely. There was no dents or damage. This is 1500 watts of heat. It has a memory setting, remote control included, 24 hours memory, so you can set it and forget it. 9 different levels of heat adjustments. Ultra quick 2.5-second heat. When you turn it on, it is hot in 2.5 seconds. Because it's all electric, there is no gas, carbon monoxide risk. It is safe and efficient. The safety instructions are included. Minimum height from the floor is 5.9 feet, so keep it up elevated. And ceilings, you want nothing closer than half a meter. So half a meter, which is like 1.6 feet above, you want that clear. You don't want something overhanging it. This is the power button. It comes on to power 0, and then you can cycle up from 1 through 9. There's 9 different power settings. The heat comes on a super quick 2.5 seconds. This is infrared technology. You also have a timer button here where you can set how many hours you want the heat to operate for. And again, the touchscreen is super easy to use. Let me show you the back of the unit. So this handy dandy mount is included. It gives you the Allen wrench. So the secret here, come on in tight so you can see that, is when you loosen this up, you can adjust this bracket to change the angle that you want your heater to point down on you. This bracket is included. We will simply mount it to the wall. This is the 3 holes will be the side going to the wall. And then your heater is going to mount here over these screws. And you're simply going to drop in the bolts that are provided for, and you thread on the fastener. All the mounting hardware is included, and it's super easy. The 3 holes in your mounting bracket will face the wall that you're going to install your heater. Now behind the siding, I know I have solid wood, so I'm good to go right through it. There are hollow core anchors provided if you need that. There are some minimum height requirements. You want to check that you meet that as well. We're just going to center this one over the door. I think that'll look attractive. With the mounting bracket secure, we're ready for the heater already. Couldn't come soon enough. Keeping in mind the mounting bracket on the back has an Allen wrench included that you can adjust the angle so the heater will point down at the exact angle you desire. The heater clip is going to go on top of your mounting bracket, and then you're going to drop down those 2 provided bolts. The wing nuts are included. It is a light enough heater that I'm doing this all by myself without a helping hand. Yeah, I love that the heater is just sleek and lightweight. You're able to handle it yourself. Nothing bulky or complicated about it. Should I change my mind on this position later, it will be easy to really move it and reposition it. Okay, let's talk cable management. You can install an outlet or hire an electrician to install an outlet nearby if you want. It is a super long 8-foot cord, so hopefully you can reach an outlet or use a heavy-duty extension cord if need be. I forgot to mention, this heater is rated for indoor or outdoor use. It should not rust. It should provide good heat every season and stand up to the elements. The electrical cord does tuck behind most trims for a finished, sleeker look. On the side here, you have your on-off switch. You can keep it on the on position because it does have a remote control if you can't reach up to the unit. So check this out. Remote control included. I can turn on the power, and in 2.5 seconds, I have heat. Look at that. Super easy to use. Quick mounting time. I had it installed in 2 minutes. Heck, it's already going up to nine different heat settings. With Thermomate and the electric infrared heater, I am cooking with fire now. Although your heaters are electric, so no safety concerns, no fumes to worry about, no gas piping, easy installation. You absolutely can do this yourself. Check down below for the current pricing. Let me know if you have any questions.